Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to create a duplicate column in Power BI. Select the Transform Data function icon from the Canvas ribbon to open the Power Query Editor. Here, we will create a duplicate column next to the existing column. To do that, click on Add Column icon at the top, and then select Duplicate Column icon. This will create a duplicate column. Another way to create duplicate column is to right-click on the column header and the Select Duplicate Column option from the drop-down. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click on the link at your screen to learn to create an awesome dynamic dashboard in minutes. Check out other interesting videos on the BI Nerd. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BI Nerd.